Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. In this video, I have selected El Nino as a topic of our English practice. So let's get started. In this topic, we'll be seeing what is El Nino and we just understand how it is affecting our country. El Nino is a natural climate phenomena that occurs in the Pacific Ocean and it affects weather patterns across the world. The term El Nino comes from Spanish meaning the little boy or Christ child, as it was first noticed by the fishermen of the coast of South America around the Christmas time. It refers to the unusual warming of surface water in the central and eastern Pacific Ocean. Under normal conditions, a trade wind blow from east to west across the Pacific Ocean, pushing warm surface water towards Asia and Australia. This allows cooler water from deep below to the ocean rise near the coast of South America, a process known as upswelling. However, during El Nino event, these trades wind weaken or even reverse. As a result, warm water spread back towards the eastern Pacific, reducing upswelling and increasing ocean temperature in that region. The effects of El Nino are widespread and can be both beneficial and harmful. In some regions, it brings heavy rainfall and floods. For example, countries in South America, such as Peru and Ecuador, often experience intense rains, leading to landslides and damage to infrastructure. On the other hand, regions like Australia, India, Indonesia, and part of India may face drought conditions due to reduced rainfall. This can severely impact agriculture, water supply, and food production. El Nino also affects global temperature. It often leads to warmer than average years worldwide because the ocean released heat into the atmosphere. In addition, the marine life is impacted due to changes in water temperature and reduced nutrients. Fish population may decline, affecting the livelihoods of fishermen and fishing industry. Okay. Scientists closely monitor El Nino using satellites, winds, ocean bows, and climate models to predict its occurrence and effects. Early warning help governments and communities prepare for the post disasters such as floods, drought, and food shortage. In conclusion, El Nino is a powerful natural phenomenon that significantly influences global weather and climate. While it cannot be prevented, understanding its patterns and impacts can help us reduce its negative effect with improved technology and awareness. People can better prepare for the challenges it brings and protect both lives and livelihoods. In that way, we just came to understand what is El Nino, what are the effects, and how it is going to damage our society.